Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials, and I am your trainer Abid Hussain Malik. Now we are going to start section 2 of QuickBooks Payroll Online Pro-Advisor Certification Exam Answer. I am CPA top-rated plus experience and I have served more than 300 clients based in the USA. If you need any information or you need any services, you may contact me at my email address info@abidfinancials.com or abidhussain713@gmail.com, or you may quick response or quick calls on my WhatsApp number. Please read before taking these exams. These are tips for your exam. These are very important for your exam. Please read this one before taking the exam. Let's start our section 2. Now we're going to start our section 2. Okay, let's start our question number 1. Which of these is not needed to connect company's bank account in the payroll setup wizard? Correct answer is a previous bank statement related to bank account. Which 3 general factors can help you determine if employees should be classified as exempt? Correct answer: amount of money earned, type of work performed, specific responsibilities, and job duties. Which of following best describe non-exempt employees under Fair Labor Standard Act? Correct answer: employee who must be paid over 40 hours a week. Which 2 factors are included in 6 pillars of robust payroll process? Correct answer: record keeping of employee documentation. The employer could be subject to criminal penalties of up to what amount per misclassified worker? Correct answer is 1,000. A company pays employees bi-weekly. Xero work 42 hours first week, 38 hours for second week. The pay period include a holiday for which he was allowed 8 holiday hours. Just paid overtime is based on actual hours worked per week, disregarded vacation, sick, holidays. Correct answer is 78 regular hours, 2 overtime hours, and 8 holidays hours. A business has gross payroll of 136,988.4, that is taxable for federal income, social security, and medical. What are the correct answers? The correct answers are these one. These are the both correct answer. Okay. Next question is, what is business total form 941 federal tax deposit liability for this pay period? Correct answer is 45077.09. What are employers paying taxes? The correct answer: social security and Medicare, federal, state unemployment taxes. How many states do not have state income tax? 9. As a rule, of which group of employees are unemployed benefit most often provided? Correct answer: laid off. What is furloughed employees? Correct answer: an employee who has been temporarily let go. An employee who work week has been reduced because of decreased sale of product. These are 2 correct answers. What is tax rate of federal unemployment tax FUTA? Correct answer is 6%. Which statement is true about penalties for misclassification worker as a contractor rather than employees? Correct answer is IRS assessed penalties may be abated if there is a reasonable basis for treating worker as a contractor. Which statement is true about penalties for misclassification worker as contractor rather than employees? Correct answer: to avoid penalties, company must provide signed W-9 1099 for that contractor. Which 3 type are not considered regular wages? Correct answers: severances, commission, and bonus. What are default hours pay period for full-time employees? 80 hours. What are default hours pay period for full-time employees? Pay period is semi-monthly. Correct answer is 86.67. Janet is salaried salesperson with a bonus incentive plan for sales above her sales quota. Her quota for sale is 1 lakh per year. She earns 5% of all sales above the quota in 2020. Her yearly sales were 2 million with a base salary of 35.75 per year. What are total yearly earnings? Correct answer is 125,000. Roots Beauty Supply has hired a new employee. Which of two are employer pay taxes? Federal, state unemployment taxes, social security and Medicare taxes. As a general rule, which group of employee or unemployment benefits most often provided? Answer is terminated employment. How many states not have a state income tax? Correct answer is 9. Which of the following shows correct tax type with their corresponding tax rate for 21? Medicare tax 1.45, Social Security 6.2, additional Medicare 0.09 and FUTA is 6%. Which of these statements is not true about honor draws? Correct answer, they need to be reported on Schedule K. Which of these statements is not true about payroll center? Correct answer, you can add it in payroll setting from the employees tab. How can clients invite existing employees to QBO workforce? Correct answer, by selecting invite to workforce button in the employees tab of payroll center. Which two of these statements are true about how clients can invite the employee to the workforce? Correct answer, they can invite existing employees in bulk from invite to workforce. They can invite work employees when entering their detail in payroll center. In which two scenarios would it be best practice to deal a paycheck? Correct answer, the paycheck has not been processed, and correct, a duplicate paycheck was created and has not been processed. On which report can you view payroll tax liabilities, payment made and amounts still owed? Correct answer, payroll tax liability report. Which payroll report show the total for individual employee deduction and company contribution to retirement plan for employee name? The payroll detail report. Correct answer is. Which three of these statements are true about QBO to determine profitability with a business? These are the correct answers. Class tracking is typically used to determine profitability. Projects are typically used for analyzing profit of external projects. Employee can be assigned to multiple class. How can clients configure employee wage to post to separate account? Correct answer, by configuring wage expense setting in the accounting preference section of payroll setting. Which four of these steps should an employer do when terminating an employee? Correct answers: provide information about the employee's scope, provide if that applies to the business, issue the last paycheck with all outstanding payments if the employer had garnishment, report termination to the relevant agencies, issue a severance paycheck if the employer offers, delete the employee payroll record. Okay, the next question is, which time of policy is prohibited in certain states? Correct answer, the use it or lose it policy, where employees lose any unused time off. Where would you go to inform IRS that you as the provider will act third-party processor to prepare your 940 and 944? Correct answer, the taxes inform section on payroll settings screen. These are the summary of the question asked in our section 2. You may just review them, because the above question included the other practices questions, so this is only exclusively the summary of the question asked in our section 2. Okay, that's all for today. You may contact me at any time if you need any help regarding exam. You may visit my website abidfinancial.com, or you may visit my YouTube channel Abid Financials and contact me info@abidfinancials.com. I am 24 hours available for your help. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.